everybody and welcome to Team Asylum. Today I'll be showing you how to make a 1.6.2 server. First of all, head over to your internet browser and type in minecraft.net. Once you're there, log into your Minecraft account, if you have one, and press download now. Then what you want to do is download the Minecraft_server 1.6.2 jar. This should update every time a new server is released, but I'm going to show you how to do it the standard way. You can run it with a Minecraft server exe, but then you can't allocate RAM, and depending on it's a lot harder to allocate RAM basically. So with this, just download that, press keep. It doesn't have a virus, it just doesn't trust the jar file, but then put that onto your desktop and then new folder, and call this anything you want. For the sake of this tutorial I'm going to call it server. Oops, spelled it wrong. Server. Then place the jar file inside the new folder that you just made. Then what you want to do is rename this to something like Minecraft or just MC server. Then inside the folder, right click new text document and then call this launch, and this is the command you're going to use to launch the server. Then head back over to minecraft.net and have a look for this code here after the word with, and then copy all of this, Control C, and then edit the bat file, the text document, and we're going to make a bat file, so paste that in there, file, save as, launch, and then at the end of it put .bat, save as type, all files, save. Now this isn't going to work straight away, so to make this work we're going to edit the bat file and have a look at what's inside. So Java, obviously because Minecraft's run on Java. XMX 1024M means it's going to run with 1024 megabytes of RAM, in other words 1 gigabyte of RAM. So we're going to leave that now because I have 4 gigabytes of RAM, so I can allocate a quarter of that. Then Minecraft server is what you're going to actually run. Because this is renamed to MC server, I'm going to type in MC server and then the file type .jar. Then we're going to save this, exit, and then double click the launch BAT, and then whilst we wait for this to launch, it should load up this window, and then it will prepare a world. So what we have is we have the terminal, or the command prompt, which is standard, and then we have this Minecraft server. This is the GUI of your server. So you have memory use, threads, average tick, average send, average record, level tick. So each world has its own tick. That's how fast, and that's the basically time in Minecraft. Server chunk, catch, lots of other things which you probably won't even use. Then world, it generates a world, banned IPs, banned players, ops, so if you want to be an operator, the server log, another file, the server properties, and a whitelist. Now I'm going to stop the server and then go through the property files with you. You run the command stop, and then it will save chunks for the world, and then everything will close. I'll just move this here. Now if we open up this, I use a program called Programmer's Notepad. It's very useful because if you're going to get into big servers, you have a lot of configuration files, and it's very good. It's very nice. It makes all the hashtag things. When you hashtag something in code, it means it's not there. So generator settings, you can have a world generator for your world, and that would, like for example, if you've ever played Skylands, that uses a Skylands generator. Allow nether allows people to use nether portals. Level name world. If you rerun the server and rename this level to something else, then it will make a new world called whatever you put here. Enable, this is the default world. Enable query, that's only if you're putting your server on Minecraft websites like Planet Minecraft, and then those websites want to take information from your server. Allow flight, that allows players to fly, usually with hacking. Server port, I'm going to be running through a tutorial on how to port forward your server, so be sure to watch that and I'll talk about that. Level type, default, that's the default terrain. Enable Archon, I'm not really sure what that is. Level seed, that puts a seed world generator, so if you put something random in, that would always be the same world because that's the level seed. Force game mode, server IP, that's another thing. Max build height, spawn NPCs, whitelist, spawn animals. Snooper enabled, that's nothing you need to worry about. Hardcore, that's hardcore mode. Texture pack, you can actually link a texture pack in here. I'll be doing a tutorial on that. Be sure to watch that. So when players join in, they are forced to download a texture pack. Online mode, true, that allows players who have bought Minecraft, that allows only them to connect and not hacked Minecraft accounts. PvP, true. Difficulty 1, that's the difficulty of the server. Game mode 0, that's the default game mode. Players will spawn in. 0 is survival, 1 is creative. Max players 20, so when you look on the server on your multiplayer browser on Minecraft, it will say however many out of 20. Spawn monsters, true, so that obviously allows monsters to spawn. Generate structures, that's dungeons, all that sort of NPC villages. View distance, don't mess around with that because that changes. That probably will annoy your players. And then MOTD, a Minecraft server. Now you probably want to change this, so for the sake of this tutorial I'd call it Joe's Minecraft server, and then you can see it change. We'll save this, and then what we want to do is I'll see you in game. I'll press launch and then I'll see you there. Now that we're in game, we're going to head over to multiplayer, add server, server name Joe's server, and then server address localhost, and this is the default. This is what you put in if you're hosting a server on your own computer and you just want to test it out. And then it should come up with Joe's Minecraft server, logging in, and then hooray, it has worked and we are in the desert. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll be doing some I've got some more about if you want a public IP to allow your friends to join, if you want to do it with Hamachi, so over LAN, and also if you want to have an IP address that is personalized, so for example teamxylam.hopto.org. And I'll also be showing you how to make a craft bucket server, on how to get plugins like factions and MCMMO and all those good things that you possibly enjoy playing on other servers. So thank you very much for watching. This has been Joe from Team Xylam. See you guys later.